Man, the other day I'm getting ready to work on some digital sketch art. Go for my Wacom tablet, and that first stroke just felt dry and scratchy. Not a smooth glide like you want it to be.
That's what she said.
And that's when I realized that I haven't changed the pen nib on my Wacom pen in, well, I don't think I've ever done it. So let's change a nib. So this should be pretty easy. If you got one of the newer Intuos Pros, it should have come with a little tool like this in a baggie. It's got extra nibs in there. And if you can't find the little baggie or you don't have the nibs inside the pen, you can actually check this little weighted base that came with your Intuos Pro. Pops open and there's extra nibs, different sizes inside there. And the process to change the nib is really easy. You wanna take your little tool, get it right there on the edge, and it may take a couple of tries to get it on there, but once it bites, you can just slide that tip right out. The whole thing just comes right out of there. Then select a new nib, slide it all the way down until it's seated. Now you're good to go. Now that we've got the new nib fitted, everything feels nice and smooth. This makes for some really nice, clean drawing. It's almost like the Wacom is brand new. And with the new tip on there, now we're saving the surface of the tablet from any damaging scratches that could make you have to buy a brand new one. Random thought, but as a digital artist, do you ever say things and then you hear it back in your head and you're like, if any normal person heard me say I need to change my nib, what?